And you say hi. Hello. Hello. Is that chicken good? Every time I feed her peas, she cries. So let's do it. Let's see. Here's those yummy peas. What? You gotta eat your veggies too. Here. It's okay. Here, Mama give you some more chicken. Here's some chicken. Here's some chicken. Yummies. Yummies. It's good stuff, huh? What? You want some more peas? It's okay. It's not that bad. You used to like peas. Just strictly chicken and rice now. Here. Good stuff. It's good stuff.